Let me show you several examples to illustrate that Scrivener did not merely slavishly follow the King James Version, but rather attempted to reflect the family of printed editions of the TR as utilized by the King James Version translators. Third, in the King James Version, at the beginning of Romans 6:2, we had the first appearance of Paul's classic response phrase, God forbid. If Scrivener were just slavishly back-translating the King James Version and matching up the exact words, we might expect to find in Scrivener's the first word here to be theos, God, because it says God forbid. But if you look at the text of Scrivener, instead you read me genoito, let it not be. This is the reading of Stephanus of Beza and the Nestle-Aland 28th edition. God forbid is a dynamic translation of the Greek in the King James Version. Right. These examples show that Scrivener hardly back-translated or reverse-engineered his text from the King James Version.